Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and happy holidays to you guys. I hope you're all really having fun this holiday period with your friends and your family. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a website on Canva. Canva is an app that's really helped me to boost my productivity as a business owner and as a writer. So I just discovered recently that you can also create a website on Canva, and so I was like, why don't we just give it a try? So without further ado, let's go right into the video.
Okay, here we are. We're going to create a sample website. So I'll just go to my Canva app, and we have a lot to explore on Canva, like a lot. So I'm just going to search for website. So I'm going to type website, and after I search for website, I like to use a particular pixel, and this is it. So this pixel I'm going to be using, so I'm just going to click on it. And let me tell you guys, Canva has a lot of website samples that you can use for. It doesn't matter what type of business you're doing, like you can definitely find a website template that you can use. And once you leave the cursor on the template, it's going to slide, so you can preview these templates before you actually click on them. So yes, I'm just going to go around and look for a template, but I think I already found one. So I'm going to use this one. Yeah, so first thing first, I'm going to change this to my name. And after I type my name, I think I'm going to just leave this copywriter, since we said we're just doing a sample. So I'm going to just leave this copywriter and then change the text color. So I'm just going to change the font color, and now I'm going to replace this picture. I'm just going to go to my uploads. Canva already has like a gallery for me of previous pictures that I've used, and so I'm just going to upload one from here. So after I go through it, I think I'm going to go with this one. So all I did was I deleted the previous photo and I just drag and drop this one on the screen. Like that's just how it is with Canva. It's very easy to manipulate. Yeah, so after that, on this see my work, you can actually create a link so that you can redirect your customers to another page. So I'm just going to create a link here, and I'm just going to link it with one of the page in the template. You can do that, or you can even find another link from outside and just create it. So that's all I'm going to do here now. So we've created our link, and so if your customer click on it, they can be able to access any page directly. Yeah, so on the next page, I think I'm just going to make a few changes, and let's see what we can do. So you can even write a big text, long text, or whatever, just to describe yourself and talk about yourself. But I'm just going to write maybe, okay, so I'll say, hi, I'm Lucille, I'm a script writer and a content creator. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave it like that. You can write any description that you want of yourself. You can do that. And I think we're going to change this page color to blue. Yeah, I think that's good. Yeah, so okay. So I'm going to change the position of the see my work. You can do whatever you like. You can manipulate any of the gadgets, any of the templates here. You can use them to do anything you like. You can customize these pages to whatever it is that you want. So that's what we're doing. Okay, so let's go to the next page. So here I'm going to change the font color, and I'm going to show you a trick that you can also do on Canva, and that's to change the font color. Like if you want to change the font color, like from the first page to the last page, you can just do that automatically when you click on change all. So I'll just click on change all, and all the colors on the page are changed to blue. So when you see it, you see even the copywriter is now blue. When you go down, all the colors have become blue, all the font colors blue. Yeah, so that's that. So there's a lot of things here that we can explore from. So let's go to elements. Here on elements, I can add some WhatsApp logo, LinkedIn logo, and Twitter. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add my WhatsApp, my Twitter, and my LinkedIn. And okay, let's just keep going and we're going to see. So I'm going to put my WhatsApp logo now. and adjust it, because we want everything to be neat and nice, so that when your customer sees it, they will, have confidence to be able to patronize you, or like just go through your work and everything will be nice. Okay, so we're just going to make sure that everything is neat. That's one thing that you have to make sure when you're creating your website, that you make everything neat. And Canva already has this whole ways to just help you. There are all these lines that will just indicate if you're putting whatever it is you're adding to the page, if you're putting it the right way. Like, just watch on the screen and you'll be able to tell. Like, it kind of like aid you, so it's just practically very easy to do. So now I'm going to add the LinkedIn logo, and after that we're going to create a link. So we're going to create, you can link these icons to like your page, so that when your customers just click on it, they'll be able to just redirect them to your page, and that's just it. Just very straight and easy to use. So this is what we're going to do now after I finish adjusting this. So I'm going to create the link for the Twitter. So I just quickly ran and I found a link. It's not even a Twitter link, but I just found a link and I was like, okay, this is the link I'm going to use. So it's a sample after all. So that's that. I've created the link and it's already linked. So guys, you can link your WhatsApp, your Facebook, whatever, man. So let's preview it and see what it looks like. So one thing you have to notice is you have to save your work with navigations. So with navigation, it has this whole menu up where somebody can just click directly to a page instead of scrolling. So, and that's just it. But without navigations, that means it's just a straight scroll. So your audience has to like scroll down to see all your work and everything. So there's no menu or whatsoever. So that's how it is. I like to leave my own with navigations, but it's up to you. You can make your choice and pick whatever it is that you want. So I'm going to leave mine with navigations, and then we're going to see what it looks like on a mobile device. So this is a sample of what it's going to look like on a mobile device. This is what your website will look like. I don't think it looks bad if you ask me. So this is what it's going to look like on a mobile device, and I think it's good. So we're just going to keep exploring, and we'll see if we have to add other things, and we'll see the kind of things that we can add here. So you can even click and add page. So if you feel like the templates don't have enough page and you want to add more info about your business, you can also just create a page and add so many things. And if you check on this element, you see that there's a lot of templates that you can pick from. There's lines and shapes and buttons and graphics and stickers. Man, you have access to a lot of things on Canva, like a lot of templates, and just have access to them. So I'm going to see if I can upload something here. So I'm just going to go to upload. I think in my gallery I should have some things here. Okay, so I'm going to delete this picture now, and I think, should I add this or this? Okay, I'm going to add this one. I wonder what I used this for. I can't remember. Okay, so I'm going to add this, so it can be pointing directly to these icons to show that like they can click on it or something like that. So I'm just going to adjust it a little bit to fit the frame and probably pull it down. Okay, let's make it smaller, then I'll pull it down a little bit. And this is just nice, like it's nice. Okay, so we're just going to adjust a little bit, and we're going to explore and see more things that we can add. So here in text, we have access to different text size that we can use, different colors and whatever. We have projects, and here on projects, I mainly use this project to create ebooks. I feel like it's more easy, and I don't know, I just use it to create ebooks. And we have styles. Here on styles, you have access to a lot a lot of color palettes that you can use on your website. So maybe you want to create a website and you don't know what colors to use. You have like some mixtures of colors that you can just click and try and see. I think I should even try some right now. So we're just going to click on some and we're going to see what they look like on the website. So this one has a little bit of purple, so let's see. Okay, so you can click apply to all pages, and it's going to just change everything in the whole page. Or even if you want to do it like individually on each page, you can also do it. You can edit each page individually. So this is what it looks like, the color palette. I don't know if I'm feeling it, but since it's a sample, maybe I will just explore further and see what I can find. Okay, this one's looking similar. Okay, so I'm going to use this for this page. I think this is good. This is good, and that's what I'm going to be using. So we are creating this website, man. Like we're doing it. Okay, so now we're going to save and we're going to click on publish website. When you click on publish website, you have to take notes. Make sure that you save with navigations, and then you have to check there's free domain, there's purchase a new domain, and use my existing domain. So when you purchase a new domain, that means you want to pay for it. When you use my existing domain, that means you already have a domain that you purchased. But I'm going to go with free. So that's it, and I'm just going to click, and now you're going to create your domain name. So I'm going to just write Lucille Adams, and because it's free, it's not going to be completely just my name. So it's going to have like .canva.mycanva.site. If you want one that is just your name.com, then I think you have to pay for that. So now I'm just going to fill in my descriptions, my website description. So I'm just going to write copywriter, screenwriter, and any other writer that I can think of. So that's just how it's going to be. That's just how we're gonna do this. It's a sample, don't forget, but you can also use this method to create your own website here on Canva. Okay, so after you fill in your description, we have this enable password protection, and that's when you click on it, that means before someone can access your website, they have to have a password for it. That's you have to generate a password, or you click on hide my website from search engines. That means if somebody search for your website, they won't be able to find it. But I'm not going to be clicking any of that because I want anybody and anywhere to be able to have access to my WhatsApp. So I'm just going to click on prepare design, and now my design is preparing. And so let's see what our website looks like. Our website is going to go live. Okay, and now our website is live. Okay, so now we're going to view it, make sure that all the links are working before we copy our website link and share it. So let's view the website and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what the website looks like. Whoa, okay, so we're going to scroll through and make sure that every change that we made is actually there. We're going to just inspect it. As you can see, everything is there, everything is right in place. Now we're going to test this Twitter link. Okay, it's loading, and it worked. I'm telling you guys, it worked, man. So that's just to show you that the Canva website is literally like any other kind of website because the link worked. So any link, anything you want to do, you can create on this Canva site, man. And it's easy to navigate, and everything comes out well. You can add your logo, whatever it is. Like, you guys just take a look at everything that we did and how it turned out, and you can do more. You can make it better, you can make it elegant, and just explore.
Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and you can also leave a comment on the type of videos that you want to see on this channel. Until next time, guys, bye.